Okay, today we're going to install a new toilet seat. This is the seat cover. This is the actual seat, this part here. These are the toilet seat hinges. And it comes with these parts. It comes with a toilet seat hinge bolt, which attaches to the porcelain fixture. It comes with a plastic nut that screws to the hinge bolt underneath the porcelain fixture to hold it securely in place. And it also comes with plastic washers to protect the seat from the porcelain fixture. We chose a wooden toilet seat because a Harvard study shows that wood harbors less bacteria than plastic. This is also true for cutting boards. So you'll want to choose, if you can, a wood toilet seat, and for your kitchen you'll want to choose the wooden cutting boards as opposed to the plastic ones. Okay, first we're going to remove the old toilet seat. Some toilets, they have a hinge bolt that goes all the way through and has a screw end on it. So you might have to use a screwdriver to unscrew it, and sometimes they get pretty rusty in there, so it will take some doing. Underneath, where my other hand is, beneath the porcelain, is the toilet bolt nut, the plastic nut that we have to turn to loosen that. Okay, once you have the nuts that go on the toilet bolt removed, then we can remove the toilet seat. It should pop right off. So now I'll just lift up, and the bolts will come right out of their holes. And there might be a couple plastic washers there. You can take those off as well. In fact, you should take those off. We'll clean it up a bit before we install the new toilet seat. On our new toilet seat, we don't have holes that go all the way through the toilet seat cover hinges, and so we don't have a bolt that goes all the way through, and so we will not have any screw heads to turn with a screwdriver. Instead, we just have a hole with threads where the bolt will go into. So we'll take our bolt and simply screw it in as far as we can. The next step is to place these plastic washers over the holes where the bolts go. And these plastic washers will protect the porcelain from the metal hinges. Okay, the next step is we've got our bolts tightened into the toilet seat hinges. We're going to drop them right through the holes, right through the plastic washers. And we'll set that in place for now. And then next we'll be tightening up the plastic nuts onto the bolts beneath the porcelain. The last step is to reach underneath where the bolt goes through the hole beneath the porcelain, and then you take the plastic nut and you screw that up tight. And that's your last step to hold the toilet seat in place. And there's our brand new toilet seat. Actually, that's the cover. Here's the new seat. All nicely hinged. All ready to go. These pieces here are called bumpers. Probably because when you put the seat down, they bump. Project completed.